Good evening. Ajir topic invertible function. So first coming to definition, dhora we have a function f from the set x to y. So here x is the domain and y is the codomain. Then this function f will be set to invertible. যদিহে আমাৰ ওচৰত আন এটা ফাংশন থাকে সে আমি নাম দিছো g বুলি such that y is the domain and x is the codomain. This y is actually the codomain of the first function f and the codomain of g, which is x, is originally the domain of the first function x. So আমাৰ ওচৰত এনেকুৱা function থাকিব g which goes from y to x such that g not f, that means g composition f is the identity function I and the f composition g is the identity function I y. Diagrammatically of silo or hey function g to কোৱা হ'ব তোমাৰ inverse of f. Diagrammatically dhora this is your f function from x to y. Then if we have a function g from y to x, that means from the codomain of x to the domain of x, such that then the composition function ki hobo tumar g not f, jehetu yat amar x or image ki hoise tumar f of x aru a f of x in y, f of x in y under the map g maps again to x, is again mapping to x. So composition function directly ami jodi law g not f, this x directly maps to what x, this x directly maps to x. So g not f is the identity function. Kyo identity function? Because x maps to x, x arbitrary element x or image ki hoise tomar ako goi x e hoise. So a g not f composition function is the identity function. So amar domain yat ki hoise g not f for x e hoise aru codomain x hoise, hekene ami ki likhisu identity function x. So g not f goes from x to x, similar to identity function. Similarly ami jodi first function g law, that means we are considering the function g from the set y to the set x, that means yet amar domain y ase aru codomain amar x ase. So any arbitrary element y maps to the has its image f of y in the f of y code ase tomar x ot ase, x is the codomain for this function g. Etia ami aru eta function loiso say f where your x is the domain which is actually the codomain for this function g. Tetia amar any arbitrary element say f of y hobo ei x or element bilak this set element bilak dekhibola kenaka hobo f of y, because y map korile under this function g to f of y. So a f of y, sorry, this will be g of y, sorry, this will be g of y. So this g of y will be mapped under the function f to what y. See, so our composition function f not g, this is your f not g, directly maps y to y, and here domain and codomain are same what y to y, which is similar to the identity function y to y. Identity function kyo hoise? Because for any arbitrary element in the set y we are getting the image under this map f not g as y itself. Y image tumi ki paisa y paisa aru domain aru codomain eki hoy. So amar f not g is actually the identity function from y to y. So ako ebar koi disu, a function f from x to y is said to be invertible if there exists a function g from y to x, that means amar domain aru codomain interchange kora hol. Yat amar domain aru codomain interchange kora hol, g enakota function thakibo such that composition of g not f ami ki paiso identity function and f not g is also identity function. Then this function from y to x is called the inverse of f, aru g function to ami denote koru kenege f of inverse f to the power -1 f inverse. Next আমি note এটা চাই লওঁ a function f is said to be invertible, that means inverse exists, that means we'll have a function g such that this then f must be 1 1 and onto যদি হে ফাংশনটো ইনভার্টিবল হয় তাৰ মানে এনেকুৱা ফাংশন এটা থাকে আমাৰ then a f ফাংশনটো আমাৰ কি হ'ব 1 1 হ'ব লাগিব আৰু onto হ'ব লাগিব, that means bijective হ'ব. Conversely তুমি কি ক'ব পাৰা conversely যদি ফাংশনটো 1 1 আৰু onto হয় both 1 1 আৰু onto হয়, that means bijective হয়, then the function is invertible. So I note this point we use in solving some questions, so this is very important note. So function invertible কেতিয়া হ'ব যদি হে 1 1 আৰু onto হয় আৰু conversely যদি 1 1 আৰু onto হয় then the function is said to be invertible. So previous note use কৰি আমি question টা solve কৰিছো exercise 1.3 question number 5 number 1. এতিয়া function এটা লোৱা হৈছে domain আছে আমাৰ 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 is your domain আৰু তোমাৰ codomain আছে singleton set with element only 10 আৰু define কেনে কৰিছে 1 or image 10 1 10 2 image 10 3 image 10 4 image 10 এটা আমি কি দেখিছো ইয়াত domainৰ প্ৰত্যেকটো এলিমেন্টৰ image আছে but every element has only one image, that means eketa same image has the same image, so আমি কি কম this is many one. So this is many one not one one and onto হবলে হলে আমি codomain check কৰিম codomainত আমাৰ অকল element single element আছে আৰু this single element has a image, no doubt it has 4 pre-images, this single element has pre-images 4 pre-images but it has sufficient, it has a pre-image, so this function is onto but many one নোহোৱাৰ কাৰণে this function has no inverse হ'বলে আমাৰ 1 1 and onto দুইটা condition হ'ব লাগিব, but যেহেতু ইয়াত many one হৈছে 1 1 হোৱা নাই যদিও onto হৈছে আমাৰ inverse নাথাকে, both condition থাকিব লাগিব necessary. Second question this one আমাৰ ইয়াত domain দিয়া হৈছে 5 6 7 8 codomain 1 2 3 4 mapping কেনেকৈ define g map to কেনেকৈ define কৰা আছে f for image 1 লে গৈছে 6 or image তোমাৰ 3 7 or image 4 আৰু 8 or image 2, so every element in the domain has one and only one image, that means distinct element has distinct image, different element or tumar image or different ইয়াৰ নিচিনা তোমাৰ 1 আৰু 2 different element but image একেই হৈছে, but ইয়াত তোমাৰ different element তোমাৰ different image আছে, so এটো কি হ'ব তোমাৰ 1 1 হৈছে onto হৈছে because every element in the codomain has a pre-image mapping এটা আছে link আছে, so তোমাৰ এটো onto হয় g function is both 1 1 and onto, therefore according to the note g is invertible, that means g inverse exists, so we will have a function g inverse exist কৰিব আৰু তোমাৰ কোৰ পৰা কোলে থাকিব codomain তোমাৰ g inverse g codomain to তোমাৰ g inverse domain হৈ যাব, that means 1 2 3 4 আৰু তোমাৰ codomain কি হ'ব g function or domain will behave as your codomain, so your codomain will be the domain of the function g, so g inverse is the function where your domain is 1 2 3 4 this and your codomain is 5 6 7 8 g. Next আমি question number 4 from exercise 1.3 discuss কৰো, আমাক function দিয়া আছে fx 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 for all real numbers x যিকোনো real number হ'ব পাৰে but x will be not equal to 2 by 3, why because x 2 by 3 at put কৰিলে আমি denominator 0 পাম, then আমাৰ fx কি হ'ব undefined হ'ব because denominator will get 0, so আমাৰ domain any real number হ'ব, that means tomar f will be any real number except your what 2 by 3 and codomain is your the set of real number, so tomar this is the function where domain is your any real number except 2 by 3, so now ama ki find out koribo koise f composition f equal to x. That means f not f to my identity function will dekhabo koise because tomar domain of tumi x loisa image ki ahise tomar x e ahise. So this is f not f is your identity function. So composition definition of composition per simple calculation koru f of fx amar define kenake kora hoise 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 ami u equal to 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 likhi loisu. Then f of u paisu f of u yet f of x hole amar 4x plus 3 divided by 6x minus 4 hoy to u hole amar substitute of variable substitution korile 4u plus 3 divided by 6u minus 4. Actually u value ki hoy ami put kori disu put kora pisot enakwa hoise dekhibole. Next ami LCM loisu LCM loi cancellation korar pasot ami paisu 34x by 34 cancel out x. So ami ki paisu left hand side f not fx equal to x. That means f not fx equal to x for all x but x except 2 by 3. So this is your what identity function because for any x you are getting what the image x. Tamne tumi 1 le 1 e hobo 2 image 2 e hobo 3 image 3 and goes on. So tomar f not f is your identity function. So the given function f is invertible because amar f not f equal to ix tomar identity function or condition to fulfill korise aru ama ki koise. So this is your completed done. Next inverse of f. Inverse of f amar ki hobo yat amar g thait ki ase f ase identity function hobole amar condition ki asle f not g equal to I hobolibo or g not f equal to I. So amar yat in place of g ase amar f. So what we can say the inverse of f is itself. The inverse of f is itself. Thank you.